To be an effective restorationist, you have to remember with the landscape a time when the waters and the floodplains and the grasslands and the wetlands were all fully connected, and the waters used to flow free. Starting up here on these ridge tops, down through fully braided floodplains and back to the ocean, everything was linked by the water. All the critters, from dry land species down into the micro invertebrates. The water was unconstrained. And a few centuries of unskilled land use have left these wild spaces dry, degraded, and disconnected. The lands and the critters have not had time to evolve and keep pace with us. And if we listen well, we can hear them asking for a little help. At Swiftwater Design, our answer is always yes. With handwork, on-site energy, and natural materials, we return water to wild and working landscapes. Everybody knows water is life. So wetland isn't just incredibly valuable, it's priceless. At Swiftwater Design, we make dry land wet. It's pretty simple. You can work for one species, or you can work for countless millions. Working for the water, you're working for everybody.